So you don't try this trick at home.
What, no gloves?
Yeah, no gloves. Alright. Here's a... Shake this off, Reed.
Got the queen in there?
Yeah, that's the queen with a blue hat. That girl's wearing a blue hat today. What do I do with them now? That lady go young. First thing you do is pull this candy plug, this cork, so you won't forget about it.
I got candy in the end of it?
Yeah. You want to bite?
Yeah. See how it tastes. That's pretty good.
Doesn't taste like candy. Okay. Now you don't do this at home.
What, forget your stuff?
Yeah.
You put the queen in there first? Or?
Well, I need to, I guess I could, because they're going to be kind of busy here in a minute.
You can use that one rubber band, can't you?
Yeah, I got one rubber band.
How long take that queen come out of there?
Come back in 3 days. If she ain't out, you got to take her out. Normally she'll be out there within about 3 days. Alright, she's still crawling good. Alright, we'll set her right there. Alright, now this is what you don't do at home. Not in your kitchen anyway.
Oh man.
We'll bite you on the ear. I got hit one time on the ear today. On the finger. Alright. And that packages in.
Feed them with that can of syrup.
Yeah, put that syrup. We put that syrup right on top of them and let them eat it. And that'll...
That's what they call home, huh?
Yeah, this is their new apartment. And they'll stay here until they get ready to, they might want to venture out and build a new home somewhere. Queen should get some of them to leave. Okay. Alright. That's one happy house right there. Okay. I'm going to use some sticks now.